Hello everyone, today we will be discussing the concept of dividing by zero. This topic is often found confusing, so I will be explaining what it really means and why it's not possible. First, think of division as repeated subtraction. Consider this example. If you want to divide 15 by 5, you are subtracting 5 from 15 again and again until you have nothing left. You subtracted 3 times, so the answer is 3. This is because 5 goes into 15 3 times. This works with any number that is not 0. However, if you try to divide by 0, you need to subtract 0 from a number over and over again. In this example, subtract 0 from 1 until you have nothing left. You would need to subtract 0 infinitely many times. So does that mean 1 divided by 0 equals infinity? Let's look at another way to divide by 0. Start by dividing 1 by 1, and you get 1. Then make the denominator gradually get closer to 0. 1 divided by 0.1 equals 10. 1 divided by 0.01 equals 100, and so on. And you can see that the results are getting larger and larger. Eventually, you will reach infinity, right? So it seems that dividing by 0 really equals infinity, but this is not true, and now we will see why. Let's check to see if the method we just used works for any number. Approach 0 from the negative side, starting with -1. As you divide 1 by each negative number, your results get closer and closer to negative infinity, not infinity. Remember that these are two completely different numbers, on opposite ends of the number line. Furthermore, let's try 2 divided by 0 using the same method. All the results are doubled, but in the end you will still approach infinity. This is where things get strange, since if 1 divided by 0 equals infinity and 2 divided by 0 is also infinity, then 1 divided by 0 equals 2 divided by 0, which means 1 equals 2. However, we know that this can't be true, so our conclusion that anything divided by 0 equals infinity is wrong. So now you know that division by 0 is undefined because it is unable to be defined. There are multiple solutions, such as infinity or negative infinity, but none of them fit all the requirements for a certain number divided by 0. And when you divide by 0 in your calculator, it gives you error because there is no one correct answer to display. That's it for today. Thanks for watching. Remember that 0 is not easy to deal with when it comes to division, and stay interested in math.